You've seen us break down how to delete negative stuff, bankruptcies, inquiries, public records, but now it's time to switch gears. Because fixing your credit is only half the game, the real power is learning how to boost it, fast. This is not legal advice. It's educational. Always do your own research. What I'm showing you are methods that actually work, not the fluff the bureaus want you to believe. The credit game plan. Here's the truth. Deleting negatives gets you out of the hole, but adding the right positives is how you skyrocket your score. Think of it like building muscle after losing weight. We're going to talk about strategies like adding trade lines the smart way, building payment history, boosting your credit mix, and leveraging hidden hacks that most people never even hear about. Credit scores don't just move because something negative falls off. Lenders look for active, positive history. So the more you stack the right type of credit, the stronger your profile looks. That means approvals, higher limits, lower rates, and more leverage to play the wealth game, what's coming in this series. Over the next videos, we're going to cover authorized user trade lines, how to borrow history to boost your file, self-lender and builder accounts, the easy way to add payment history, credit card limit hacks, how to make your utilization ratios work in your favor, business credit tie-ins, how to boost personal and business credit at the same time. And remember, this is only a taste. The digital playbook is dropping soon, and it'll have the full boosting blueprint step by step. After that, we'll roll out consulting and digital products to take you even deeper. So stay tapped in and listen. Drop your questions in the comments. We'll answer as many as we can right there under the video. Doesn't matter if it's about boosting or deleting, inquiries, bankruptcies, public records, ask away. Your question might even inspire the next hack we cover, so hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe right now, because the boosting series is about to change how you look at credit forever. The first boosting hack is next, and you don't want to miss it.